Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a new IOD debtor. An injury on duty occurs when a person on duty endured or had an injury while at work. There are certain forms that should be filled in and information that should be submitted to the Workmen's Compensation Fund to receive money for the procedures or treatment the IOD patient has received. The forms to be filled in allows the practitioner to capture all the details regarding the IOD separately on the system, as well as to ensure that the correct person is responsible for the payment of the account. The injury on duty file will contain separate information fields that will be needed when the IOD case is submitted, for example, a claim number, date of injury, and details relating to the injury. All the regular fields of the IOD debtor detail screen will be available to complete, but when the debtor type is changed to IOD, there will be extra compulsory fields that will become available relating specifically to the injury on duty case. For more information on creating a new normal debtor, please refer to the Create New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on a debtor screen. Click on the debtor type drop-down menu. Click on IOD on the drop-down menu to change the debtor type to an injury on duty debtor. New fields will appear, which are compulsory to complete. The fields that will open will only be added to the debtor details section and not the patient section. Click on the medical aid option drop-down menu. An explanation will now be given for each option on the list. Workmen's Compensation Government WCA Acute is an IOD claim has been registered with a government organization called the Workmen's Compensation Fund, Department of Labor. Compensation Fund Private IOD Acute is an IOD claim that has been registered with a private compensation organization, which are used for companies that are not registered with any government workmen's compensation company. Claim number is the claim number that has been received from the Rand Mutual Assurance or Workmen's Compensation Fund, which is used to submit an IOD claim. Click on a claim number field, which is a free text field to input a claim number that has been received from the respective IOD fund. Date of injury is the date when the incident took place. Click on a date field to open the calendar. Click on a relevant date for the calendar. Injury description is information regarding the accident that occurred and the injuries that were sustained. Click on the injury description text field to input a short explanation of the incident that occurred. Please note that the new electronic patient file will have to be created for each IOD debtor, the same as for a normal debtor. To complete and save the IOD file, please refer back to the Create New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description.